Assembling the Arozzi Avanti is easy. We suggest that you assemble your chair on a protective surface and that you use the included one-size gloves when assembling. This guide is divided into 4 parts, because I don't trust you to do this your own way. Follow me instead. Start with step number 1, the wheelbase. Let's attach the wheels to the wheelbase itself. Flip the wheelbase upside down and push the wheels in one by one. The best way to do this is to grab them by the flat base of the wheel, since that won't rotate when you push them in. Now flip the wheelbase over and insert the gas lift into the center hole. This plastic piece goes over the gas lift to make it just a little prettier. The next step is to attach the backrest to the seat base. Start by removing the pre-attached screws from the backrest, 2 on each side. Take the backrest and line it with the seat. Screw the screws in, but make sure everything is aligned before tightening them. We want both you and your chair to have good posture. Step 3 is all about the seat mechanism and the armrests that we will attach to the bottom of the seat. Start by removing the pre-attached screws. Push the top of the armrests all the way back and shoot! Push the top of the armrests all the way back and then attach them to the seat base. This is to prevent the top of the armrests from touching the ground when attaching them. Make sure to mount the armrests so that they're tilting backwards, like this. The seat mechanism has a handy little arrow pointing towards the front of the chair. When the chair is laying in this position, the front is downwards. Attach the seat mechanism with the screws, preferably in a diagonal order, and don't tighten them until all of them are in place. Then we mount the chair to the wheelbase. The easiest way to do this is to grab the wheelbase and put it on the seat mechanism, with the chair laying in the same position as previously. The last step is to attach the plastic covers and pillow. Notice the orientation of the plastic covers. The highest point should be towards the front of the chair. Start by attaching the lower part to the existing plastic piece. Then align the top part until the magnet holds it tight. Now strap the pillow around the top of the chair, and you're done. That's it for the assembly. If you need further assistance, you can go to our website and contact us. You can also find more information about the features of your chair, assembly guides and maintenance videos here on our YouTube channel. Now enjoy your new gaming chair.